Hello there, I am Odd and I'm going to make a welcome message for you and show you how to do it. First thing you're going to do is go to the website of Inventor, click on Dashboard and then click on your bot. If you don't have one, click on Add Bot and then just add it. I'm going to click on this one, go to Components, click on this plus next to Components, then click on Flow, make sure Flow is enabled, call it Welcome. I'm going to call it a welcome message. But you can call it whatever you want, doesn't really matter at all. Then you're going to set the trigger to member join. Once you did that, wait for it to load and then add the block get user. Then you're going to do Control/ on Windows or Command/ on Mac when you're select or just click on insert variable. And you click on member join and then click on user ID. You're going to get more information like the avatar URL, if it's a bot, dimension, username, everything from this one block. And you're going to add a send message, the exact send or edit embed message. Click on it, add it to the list of blocks, set the channel ID. I'm going to quickly go to my own server and then set the channel ID to, I don't know, general. If you don't know how to get a channel ID, right click the channel and then click on copy channel ID. If you can't find that, the button, go to your settings, go to advanced under app settings and enable developer mode. Then what I did, like put the channel ID into this slot, then allow mentions. If your users get mentioned when they join, set it to true. If they don't, set it to false. You don't want them to bypass this and stuff. I set it to false, and then I'm going to set the content to insert variable, get user, mention. Then here, welcome, insert variable, get user, username. It deleted, it didn't register it. Username. Let me refresh this. So I'm sure that it didn't go wrong. If something gets deleted and you have to put it in again, I just refresh the page to see if it's saved correctly, since everything gets updated live. And then just put your welcome message here. I can't type, but put your welcome message here. You can do something like channel ID. Here you can chat and then just make it that with another channel ID. Here you can get rules. Just make what I would do is make a quick overview of the channels, and in footer text I would just do thank you for joining, to author icon URL, then click on insert variable, get user, avatar URL, and then author name at insert variable, get user, username. And that's everything. And this is what it looks like when someone joins your server now. This is what it looks like. But this, if the channel ID in this message is correct, it will display the right channel if the channel exists. Yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching.